Hello, my name is Žiga and I come from Slovenia.
Hello, my name is Csaba and I come from Slovakia.
We are the participants of the Erasmus Plus project.
Name of our project is Programming Robot for Kids.
The physical part consists of Arduino Uno, parallax shield, two servo motors, Bluetooth module, LCD screen and the constructions of the robot.
For programming we use the Arduino IDE.
We made two programs. The first one is with physical buttons and the second one is with mobile application.
The robot has 5 buttons. One is for start and the others are for direction. When we click start for the first time, the robot starts memorizing our instructions. Then we click the start button for the second time and the robot starts moving. When the robot finishes with our orders, we delete the previous instructions. Then we just repeat those steps every time.
For the mobile application, we used the Blink Internet of Things platform. We made one application where we can choose between the program, which is the same as the previous, and the one where the robot doesn't remember all orders, but we can control him in real time.